These tools are 100% free to start with, so try them today. Like this video, subscribe to MindVision AI, and let's explore the future together. Thanks for watching.
Fifth, 11 Labs gives you realistic AI voices for narration, perfect for YouTube videos like this one. Visit 11labs.io.
Fourth is Leonardo AI, a free AI image generator. You can create artwork, game designs, or photorealistic images easily. Try it at leonardo.ai.
Third, Pika Labs turns text into realistic AI videos. Just type a scene description and watch it come alive. Go to pika.art.
Next is Canva Magic Studio. It helps you design posters, logos, and videos using AI prompts. Visit canva.com. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails and social media posts. First, we have ChatGPT by OpenAI. You can use it to write essays, create ideas, or even plan your day. Just go to chat.openai.com and start chatting with AI for free. Welcome to MindVision AI. Today, we explore 5 amazing free AI tools that anyone can use. No coding skills required. Whether you're a student, creator, or entrepreneur, these tools will make your work smarter and faster.